I'm recording. But
Are you?
what the
What?
fuck?
What the fuck?
I forgot. You know the reason I always do low DPS here is because I forgot to go to Boomkin's farm.
Oh,
Such a noob. Oh my god.
yeah.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. I popped
Oh,
cooldowns.
you're saying, come on, come on, come on. Come on, let's kill him. Fast.
Oh, come on, okay.
No,
I can't talk. I have to focus on DPS. Oh.
no. I want him dead. Kill him faster. Oh, I'm a
Can't
wolf.
even do 200k. What the fuck?
I did 400.
I'm out.
Yeah, when I went out from my form, I went into a wolf. I don't know why, because I wasn't a wolf.
You went into a wolf like that.
Yeah, a skeletal wolf. Look.
I actually managed to heal somebody for 42k.
Oh, come on, come
What?
on, come on. Come on.
Shimona hee hee.
Say it again.
Shimona hee hee.
An owl. Owl.
I don't know. How do owls sound actually?
Ooh.
It sounds like an owl. Oh.
Yeah, that's an owl. An
Owl?
horny owl.
No, it's not. It's like.
No. Horny owls, they sound like owl.
It sounds like a dog.
No.
Ding, ding, ding,
I know.
She
Yeah,
does
ding ding
like
ding.
10k damage.
Ring ding 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 ding. Owl.
Do-do-do-do-do. Everybody wanna be a master. Everybody wanna be a friend. Everybody wanna feel disaster. In between your
There's
feet.
Mona in the game.
Be
Come on.
fine. Be right. Oh, somebody gave me speed bust.
No.
Cool.
No.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You see, Boar is such a nice disc. I mean, a healer priest.
He always. No. If I'm ahead of him, he always drive me back.
He always gives,
Yeah.
you know, speed buffs, free stuff, free pets. You know, this guild is so awesome. It's like Disneyland.
Oh,
Only
by the way,
free.
Bor, I have some cloth for you.
Yeah,
No.
thank you.
Oh,
You just lie.
did you say we can give Boar cloth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, can I donate everything I have?
Yes.
Oh, is he your master now?
Send it to my mailbox.
I don't like sending to mailbox. That's too much hassle. I do trade or nothing.
Well, you just
Trade
you
or
just
nothing.
hassle people on YouTube.
Have you seen that movie, The Hustler or something? Is
Yeah,
that
that's
nice?
you,
What is
right.
it about?
Oh,
It's about
I
me?
killed
Oh.
I wonder if we get the ribbon now from Precious.
The only thing he cares about is a ribbon. Oh.
I have it already.
Slink went to the other side.
What a
Why?
noob.
What a noob.
Are you gathering ribbons? How cute.
I got the ribbon already, so I don't need it. It's just
You
to
got
get
it? Oh.
Where's Slim? He's standing there.
Precious ribbon.
Then
Precious
Why?
Best
ribbon.
in show.
the
Yeah.
other side.
Oh,
Oh my god. The ribbon.
Get over.
Just nuke.
Please.
Just nuke.
Please.
Dude, you can solo that. Go. Just go kill.
Go one each.
I believe in you. Yeah.
Go one bus each.
Yeah.
Yeah, Slink solo that and we go here.
Yeah, no
Oh,
problem.
Oh, good luck.
Yeah, I help you heal.
Yeah, I'm not even on that side.
Oh, of course you're not. You're licking his ass.
Oh,
Go, go.
Slink is a DK. He can heal himself. Don't worry.
Yeah, I'm tanking.
You'll be fine. Oh, there's this pheromone shit on my head.
Why am I tanking? What the fuck? We got a fucking warrior here. What is...
I'm not in that.
Yeah, but you can... What is this? Oh, healing tide.
Oh. Oh fuck, I can trank. Of course, I forgot.
Yeah, use strength.
I'm disorientated.
Yeah, see
Huh?
them.
Why?
It's not like I'm
Why?
DPSing so nicely, so whatever.
Well, I tried to like heal and stuff. But
I
Can he
have
get
so
down to
many
20%?
DPS.
yeah, we killed him. This is nothing.
Now I have gas.
Look at my lightning bolt. They're flying everywhere. I'm a shaman tank.
Are you on this other boss, Slink?
Yeah.
of course.
We killed ours? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I got that stuff.
There's a waste cloth. Huh.
What is this?
Takes
It's a
forever.
joke.
Well, I was a tank for once. A mini wolf tank.
Should we go kill something in the Bloodwing for till they're done?
Wait.
No. No, no.
No, you need to click click on the.
No, I don't want.
Did you click? You didn't click.
No.
Fuck. Oh fucking god. Nobody clicks
What the
ever on
fuck?
this thing.
Oh my god, he's so slow. Oh, I can enter.
Because
How
I.
did
He
you
resetted it.
Oh,
Fuck you, man.
who reset it?
who is it? Hmm.
I got this blabber after
I'm
me
so
all the time.
disappointed, Clink. I thought